Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the email not sending error on Gumroad in 2026. And if Gumroad emails aren't sending, like purchase confirmations, product delivery emails, or affiliate notifications, this can create confusion and refund requests. So let's troubleshoot it step by step. As you can see, you're just gonna log into your Gumroad application or account, and then you're gonna access the email section in the left sidebar. Now here you're going to check the spam folder. First you're going to ask did the buyer check the spam, then promote the tab Gmail, and many Gumroads emails lands there. So always check the spam folder and tell the buyer to check also the spam folder. The second thing is to verify the buyer's email address. Sometimes customer entered wrong email, there's a typo, you can resend the receipts manually from your dashboard. You can also check if the email notifications are enabled by going to the settings, and then you're gonna go and choose and click on the email notifications and turn them on. You can also check the custom domain email settings. If you're using custom sending domains, verify the DNS settings and check the SPF or the DKIM records. Incorrect setup can block delivery. And look for platform outages. Sometimes it's temporary, so check the Gumroad status page and their official social media updates. Also, you can ask the customers to add Gumroad to safe lists. So have buyers add Gumroad emails to contacts and disable strict filters. Now, email delivery issues usually happen because of spam filtering, DNS misconfiguration, or incorrect emails input. So go through each step carefully and test thoroughly, and once fixed, your buyers will receive everything instantly and your support requests will drop significantly. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.